Now, the next concept, circle. What is a circle? What is actually circle means? Here the definition. A circle is a closed figure. This is a closed figure. A circle is a closed figure. Each figure, each whose points are equidistant from a fixed point inside it. Here on circle we have many points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. Infinite points we have, many points we have on the circle. All these points are equidistant from the point inside it. This is inside. Inside one point is there. So from this point to these points are, all these points are equidistant. All these points are equidistant. Okay, all these points are equidistant from the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Okay. Now, so suppose this is a point A. This is circle center O. Now you join OA. O to A. Okay. Now here B. If you take B point of OB, O to B. Now for another point, so take C point. Now join OC. All this OA, OB and OC, all these points are equidistant. All these points are equidistant. Okay, all these points are equidistant. So all these points are equidistant. Okay, so all these points, OA length is equal to OB length is equal to OC length. OA length, OB length and OC length, all these lengths are equal. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. OA length, OB length and OC length. So what is actually definition? Circle definition, it's a closed figure and points, whatever the points there on the circle, so that all points are equidistant from the point inside. From the point inside means from the center. From the center of the circle to the point which is on the circle, they are equidistant from the center. So like A point is on the circle, B point is on the circle and C point is on the circle. If you calculate OA length, OB length and OC length, all that OA length and OB length and OC length, they are equal in length. They should be equal. So then only we can say that that is a circle. That is a circle. So this is the circle definition. Okay. Now after that, in a circle we have some. So have radius. In a circle we have radius. So what is actually radius? Radius means the distance from the center of the circle and any point on it is called radius. So the distance from center of the circle to the point on the circle, so it is called, so from the center to any point on the circle, from the center to any point on the circle, so from here to here, the distance is called radius. So in example, in daily life, so the spokes, wheel spokes, so bike wheel is there, so bike wheel spokes were there, no? So the from the center, axle is the center, from axle to spokes, so that distance is called radius. So spokes lengths are equal, so from axle to spoke length, the distance is same, so that is the radius. Radius means from center to the point, so on the circle, so at any point on the circle, so that is called radius. The distance from the center to any point on the circle, any point on it is called radius. From here to here, OC is a radius, OB is a radius, and if suppose if you take one more point, OD is a radius, and if you take one more point, OF is a radius and OE is a radius, all these were radius. F, G, H, so all these are radius. So these were the radius of the circles, radius of the circle I. So all these are radius. OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, all are circle radius. Then how many radius length? Suppose if OB length is equal to 5 centimeters, then OC length also 5 centimeter. Then OD length is also 5 centimeter. OF length is also 5 centimeter. OE length also 5 centimeters. All the radiuses are equal in length. So here, how many radius we can draw in a circle? In a circle we can draw infinite radius. So why so it's possible to draw infinite radius? Because on a circle we have infinite points. On circle we have infinite points. So that is why we can draw infinite radius from the circle. In a circle we have infinite radiuses. So how many radii we have? Infinite radii we have in a circle. So in a circle infinite radii we have. Okay. So what is the radius? So radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the point. So that any point on the circle, any point on it means any point on the circle. So that is called radius, from the center to any point on the circle. So that total distance is called radius. First, circle definition. Circle is a closed figure. So in that, so it is the points are equidistant. So from where? From the point inside it. Inside it means from the center. From the center one point is there, that is center. Inside means that is the center. Center to the circle. So whatever the points there on the circle, they are equidistance from the center. So then what is the radius? Radius is the distance from circle center to the point on it means, so whatever the point on the circle, so that total distance from center to that point, that is the radius. Now here OA is a radius and OB is a radius, OC is a radius, OD is a radius, OE is a radius, OF is a radius, so on, all are radius. OB and OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, all these are equal in length. In a circle we have infinite radius. In a circle, so radius length is equal, all radii lengths are equal. These 2 points you have to remember. So radius definition, so radius properties. How many radius we can draw in a circle? So we can draw infinite radius in a circle, infinite radii in a circle. Then all radii lengths are equal in a circle. Okay. Now after that, next concept, diameter. What is the diameter? Diameter, the line joining 2 points on the circle and passing through the center. So here, what is actually diameter means? Diameter means 2 points on the circle. So we have to join 2 points on the circle and that should be passes through the origin. Suppose if you draw a line like this point is passes through the center of the circle. So this line is passes through the center of the circle and from 2 points on the circle. Here one point is there and here one point is there. Suppose this is L point, this is M point. So if you join L and M points and that line is passes through, that line segment is passes through the center of the circle, then this total L and M is called diameter of the circle. L and M is the diameter of the circle. Diameter, so what is actually diameter means? Diameter is a line joining of 2 points on the circle. 2 points on the circle. Diameter is a line segment joining 2 points. So this is a line segment joining 2 points L and M. How to join? So these line segments should passes through the center of the circle. That is the important. So what is the important? What is the important thing? So we have to join 2 points on the circle and also that line segment should passes through the center of the circle. If you join, here 2 points were there, here one point is there and here one point is there. If you join these 2 points on the circle, then this is not a diameter. Diameter is always passes through the center of the circle. Diameter is always passes through the center of the circle. So then one more diameter. If you want to draw one more diameter, then you can draw. So like this. So this is another diameter, PQ. PQ is a diameter. So another diameter. So we are joining 2 points on the circle, and this is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle. So and also it is passes through the center of the circle. So it is the diameter. So what is the diameter? Here diameter, OP is the radius and OQ is the radius. If you see here, OP and OQ, these two are the radius, and PQ is the diameter. It means double the radius. If you make double the radius, then you will get diameter. If suppose if the radius is 3, here OP is 3, here OQ is 3, 3 plus 3 6. If you make radius double, then you will get diameter length. So similarly, how many diameters we can draw in a circle? So we can draw infinite diameters. Here 2 diameters we draw. So again one more diameter we can draw, and again one more diameter we can draw, again one more diameter we can draw, again one more diameter we can draw, again one more diameter we can draw. How many diameters we can draw? Infinite diameters we can draw. So infinite radiuses we can draw, and infinite diameters. Diameter is always double the radius. Diameter length is always double the radius. Radius is always half in diameter. Radius length is half in diameter. These two things you have to remember. Diameter is double the radius. Radius is half in diameter. Okay. How many diameters we can draw in a circle? Infinite. How many radiuses we can draw in a circle? Infinite. Okay. So these definitions and properties, all these concepts you have to remember. Okay. Then after that, chord. What is a chord? So a line segment joining 2 points on a circle. 2 points on a circle. Suppose here one point is there, another point. This is, if you join these 2 points PQ, this is a chord. So chord of a circle. So it is another chord. It is another chord. R, S, T, U, V, W. So all these are chords of the circle. So what is a chord means? So if any 2 points, so we join, if any 2 points on the circle we join, so then you will get chord. So line segment joining 2 points on a circle. Line segment, this is a line segment. Line segment joining 2 points on a circle. One point is P, another point is Q. These 2 points are on the circle. These 2 points we are joining. Then this is called chord of a circle. So then how many chords we can draw? So infinite we can draw. So in this one more thing, if you draw this many chords, so this is the diameter also one of the chord. So the longest chord in a circle is diameter. So this is the important bit you have to remember. So what is the means, the which one is the biggest chord in a circle means diameter is the biggest longest chord in a circle. Okay. So if you see this is circle, if you draw this is smaller, this is smaller, this is smaller, this is smaller. If you draw this diameter, then diameter is bigger than all. So a line segment is joining 2 points on a circle. So we will form chord of a circle. So in this diameter also one of a chord of a circle. So diameter is the longest chord in a circle. So these are the definitions as well as properties of radius, diameter and chord of a circle. So all this you have to remember. Okay. Now the next concept, circumference. What is circumference of a circle? Here the circumference of a circle means the length of the boundary of a circle is called circumference of a circle. So the length of the boundary, this is complete boundary of the circle. So this complete boundary length is called circumference of the circle. This is this length, this boundary length of a circle is called circumference of a circle. So then, so with the ruler we unable to, so we cannot measure the length of this boundary. So then how to measure? How to measure the circumference of a circle? So then, so one easy method is there. So first here, so you mark one point here, and from here to you keep a thread like this in this circular path. So like this you have to keep here, and at the last you should reach your starting point, and then after, so take out your thread and measure, so with the ruler, make it straight and measure with the ruler. Then you will get the total length of this boundary. Using thread we can able to measure the length of this circular boundary. With the ruler we are unable to measure the length of this boundary. So what we have to do, so we should take a thread and we have to keep our thread on this path, means on this boundary. So we have to keep, so on this boundary, so till, so where we start. So then after that we have to take out our thread and make it straight and measure, so with the ruler, the length of that thread. So that gives here the length of the boundary of that particular circle. Then you will get circumference of that circle. So this is the method to find circumference of a circle. Actually, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle means the length of the boundary of this circle. The boundary of this circle is called circumference of a circle. Okay. What is circumference? Circumference of a circle means the length of the boundary of the circle is called circumference of a circle. Then how to measure circumference of a circle? So using a thread, so we have to mark one point here, then after that along with the boundaries we have to keep our thread like this, then again we have to reach starting point, and after that, so we have to take out our thread and make it straight and measure with the ruler. Keep on the ruler and find the length of that thread. That length gives you a circumference of this required circle. Okay. This is the method to find circumference of a circle using thread. Okay. Now after that, so we are going to discuss how to draw a circle. Next concept. Okay. Now, so here to draw a circle of a given radius we have to draw circle. Then how to draw a circle? So here question is given, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So to draw a circle 6 centimeters whatever radius, so you should take a ruler and compass. So these two you have to take first. How many centimeters we have to take? 6 centimeters. First you have to keep your compass on 0, and the second, so you take the length of 6 centimeters. How much? 6 centimeters. The total 6 centimeters length you have to take like this, 6 centimeters. This is our 6 centimeters. After 6 centimeters, after taking 6 centimeters with compass, then first you make a center like this, and after that keep, so your compass on center, and other side you have to rotate like this. Then you will get your circle. First we have to measure the line segment, means we have to take 6 centimeters. So with the help of a ruler. So then after that, first you make a center. So on that center keep your compass and rotate your compass, then you will get 6 centimeters radius circle. So this is center O, and this total length, this is OA, O to A, this is 6 centimeters. Then you will get 6 centimeters radius circle. So this is our circle, required circle, which is having 6 centimeters as a radius. With the ruler, with the compass, we have to draw a circle. So what here 6 centimeters radius is given. 6 centimeters, first we have to take 6 centimeters. So by taking ruler and with the compass, measure 6 centimeters, then after that, so make a center first, and with that, with the help of means, first on the center you have to keep your compass and rotate it, then you will get 6 centimeters circle. Okay. Now the next, in example 2, the radius of the circle is given. So the radius of circle is 3 centimeters. So if the radius of circle is 3 centimeters, then what is the diameter? What is the diameter? Here in the circle, suppose this is a circle, radius is given. Radius of the circle. So from center to the point on the circle, the distance from center to the point on it means on circle is the radius. Here it is 3 centimeter. Then what about the diameter? So what about the diameter? Already we discussed. So how to know the length of the diameter? So it is very simple. Diameter is double the radius. Diameter length is equal to double means 2 times radius length. Radius length 2 into what is the radius here? Radius is 3 centimeters. So that radius we have to take. That radius length we have to take. Then 2 3s are 6 centimeters. This is our diameter length. If here it is 3 centimeters, if the radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter is double the radius, double this radius, here to here. Here also 3 plus 3, 6 centimeters. So diameter, what is diameter? Diameter is a line segment joining the 2 points on the circle, and which is passes through the center of the circle. So this is the diameter. So indirectly diameter means double the radius. If radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter is 6 centimeters. Okay. This is the method to find diameter of a circle if radius is given. Okay. Now in the third exercise, name the following in the given figure. So this is in this circle, some radius and diameters and chords are given. So we have to write according to the question. So here in the first question, all the radii of the circle, we have to write all radii of the circle. So how many radii of the circles were there? So see here. So one is OP. OP is the radius, OQ is the radius. OP, OQ, O to P, O to Q, O to R, O to S, OR and OS. So this many radii we have. OP, OQ, OR and OS. What is the radius? Radius means from center to the point on the circle. So the length, that length is called radius. So OP, OQ, OR, OS, total 4 radii are there here. Now the diameter. So here the next question, diameter. How many diameters we have in the circle? The diameter means the line which is passes through the center of the circle. From the center of the circle, only one line is passing through the center of the circle, and we have 2 lines, 2 opposite points. So 2 points, the line segment. First we have, what is the definition of a diameter? Diameter means the line segment. It is a line segment. The line segment which is joining the 2 points on the circle. 2 points. This is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle and also passes through the origin. Diameter is a line segment which is joining 2 points on the circle and which is passes through the center of the circle. Here these 2 points on the circle, this is a line segment and also it is passes through the center of the circle. So PQ is the diameter. Only one diameter is there, PQ. PQ is a diameter. Next, in this next question, all chords of a circle we have to write. So what is a chord means? Chord means if line joining of 2 points on a circle. So here the condition is not there like diameter. In a diameter, that line should passes through the origin, but in a chord it is not like that. only 2 points, line joining of 2 points on a circle. So how many lines were there? AB. These 2 points on the circle, from this point line segment, we form a line segment. This is our chord AB, CQ and PQ. Total 3 chords we have: AB, CQ and PQ. So these 3. Okay. Now then after that, circle has a radius of 5 centimeter. Circle radius is given, then how long its diameter. So circle radius R is equal to 5 centimeters. Then diameter is equal to 2 times radius length, 2 times. So what is radius length? 5 centimeters. So 2 times radius means 2 5s are 10 centimeters. It means diameter is double the radius. If radius is 5 centimeters, then double means 5 double is 10 centimeters. Then diameter length is 10 centimeters. Okay. Next, third question, fill in the blanks. First blank, every point on the circle is at the same distance from the center. Next, diameter is the dash chord of a circle, longest chord in a circle. Okay. Next, the measure of the boundaries of a circle is called its circumference of a circle. Then diameter of the circle is equal to dash into radius, 2 times radius. So it means double the radius, 2 times radius is diameter of the circle. Next, we can draw a circle of a given radius using what? So using ruler as well as compass. So using ruler and also compass and ruler. So with the help of compass and ruler, we can draw a circle of a given radius. Whatever given radius is given, so that radius of circle we can draw using ruler and compass. Now the next one. Here, how many line segments are there in the following figures? Label and name them. So how many line segments are there? First, so we have to count how many line segments are there. First you label it A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is our labeling. First line segments, how many line segments? AB is first, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 9 and this one here to here, FB, 10. Total 10 line segments. 10 line segments. How many line segments? 10 line segments. How many line segments? 10 line segments. So what are the line segments? First line segment is AB is a first line segment, next BC, next CD, next DE, next EF, next FG, next GA, then after that AF, next FB, next CE. Total these 10 line segments. How many? Total we have 10 line segments: AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GA. Next AF, FB, CE. Okay. Now, so in this, so first we have to label A, B, C, D, E, F. First, how many line segments? AF, FB, BD, DC, CE, EA. Next, EF, FD and D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many line segments? 9 line segments. 9 line segments. 9 line segments. What are that line segments? AF. AF is a first line segment and FB is a second line segment. AF, FB, BD, DC, BD, DC. Next, CE, EA, CE, EA. Then after that, EF, FD, DE, EF, FD, DE. Total how many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 line segments we have. More line segments we can write. So how? AB is also one more line segment, BC also another line segment and CA also another line segment. We can take more 3 line segments also. Okay.